Hi, my name is Christina, and the article topic I chose discusses how the court has blocked coverage expansion for DACA recipients. The article I chose is titled Court Blocks Enforcement of Regulation Expanding Healthcare Access for DACA Recipients. It was published in the journal Health Affairs, and down below is the APA citation of this article. The court covers a proposed rule from the Biden administration that would have expanded access to ACA and Medicaid for DACA recipients, but a judge instead decided to block this ruling. What is DACA? DACA gives work permits and protection from deportation to undocumented immigrants who come to the U.S. as children. However, this protection excludes federal health coverage. This new rule would have let DACA recipients sign up for affordable health insurance through the ACA and in some cases even Medicaid programs, which is giving them access to the same coverage options available to other lawfully present immigrants. During court in October of 2024, a Texas federal judge issued an injunction that blocked the rule from being enforced, right before it was set to take effect, delaying the expansion of health coverage. The rule was challenged by states like Texas, which claimed it overstepped federal authority and would financially burden the states. After listening to the state's perspective, the judge ended up agreeing. Because of the court order, DACA recipients still can't access affordable coverage through the ACA or Medicaid, even if they're legally present and contributing to the society we live in. This issue affects not just DACA recipients, but also clinics, state Medicaid systems, and providers who deal with more uninsured people due to it putting added strain on already limited healthcare resources. In my opinion, the court's decision harms the healthcare system because it keeps barriers in place for people who live and work legally in the U.S., limiting their access to necessary care and contributing to ongoing health inequalities. Without access to affordable care, DACA recipients delay treatment and end up in emergency rooms, which costs more for everyone and overwhelms emergency services that are already limited as it is. Who suffers? Hospitals, taxpayers, and the public pay when people can't get preventative care. This decision adds to the financial strain, widens health disparities, and places a heavier burden on already under-resourced communities. DACA recipients pay taxes, work legally, and contribute significantly to society. Therefore, it seems especially unfair and unjust that they're still excluded from coverage options that many others have access to. This ruling ensures continued delays in care, leading to worse health outcomes, not just for individuals, but families and communities as a whole, increasing public health risks for all. The article didn't include stories or personal perspectives from DACA recipients or data on how many people would gain coverage, which would have added depth and helped readers better understand the human impact. Furthermore, I also wish the article explained more about why the judge blocked it, what exact legal argument was persuasive, and how it aligned with or differed from the previous rulings on similar issues. I assumed DACA recipients had at least some access to coverage. I learned that they're still completely excluded, and that surprised me because of how long DACA has existed and how integrated these individuals are in society. It changed my view on how powerful courts are in the shaping of health access. Even a finalized rule can be blocked overnight, showing how much influence a single legal decision can have on thousands of lives in national health policy. This made me realize that healthcare isn't just about medicine. It's also deeply connected to laws, policies, and who has a legal and social right to access care in the country, regardless of their background or status. Expanding coverage to DACA recipients is a meaningful step toward achieving health equality, Blocking it only delays justice and fairness in the system, leading to already vulnerable group without the care and protection they deserved. Thank you.